that front big set up over there? I can't speak Spanish, I did Spanish lessons. So I had Spanish lessons. Trying to stop, trying to drop. There's a wing of the plane.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a very warm welcome to Reus, where the local time here is just approaching 11 o'clock in the morning and the outside temperature is approximately 27 degrees. Whilst we do taxi to our parking area, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt signs. Only then is it safe to leave your seats. When collecting your personal belongings, do check on the floor area in your seat pockets, as well as the overhead locker compartments, just in case you may have left something. When opening the overhead lockers, do take special care to make sure nothing's moved around during the flight that could fall out or hit you or your fellow passengers. If you have checked in a child's buggy, we'll be able to collect this with your luggage in the arrivals hall, and for those who've requested assistance, could we ask that you do remain seated until all of the passengers have disembarked the aircraft and the cabin crew can be more assistance to you. If you're travelling with the first choice, Sky Tours, Thomson's or Simply Travel, then do look out for our Thomson Airport teams inside the terminal building. They'll direct you to the next stage of your journey, and if you have since decided to make your own way to your accommodation here, then please do inform a member of the Thomson team to avoid any necessary delays. We're moving with the times, and you've told us that you'd like to be able to choose when you want to speak to us and how to do it, so when it comes to contacting us during your stay here, then give us a call, drop us a text or send us an email. In fact, if you want to send us a message and ask you to call you back in your hotel room, we'll happily do that for you. Please do look for your 24-hour holiday line details, which can be found in your arrivals packs. On behalf of the captain, the first officer, and the rest of the crew, we do hope you enjoyed the quick service to Reus this morning. And on behalf of all of the cabin crew, it's been our pleasure looking after you, and we look forward to welcoming you on board your return flight home to the UK.